Hello, what's up everyone? Let's make this delicious oven baked chicken and potatoes. So guys, let's get started. So here I have some chicken already washed and clean. I have chicken leg and chicken thighs and my seasoning. Here I have some paprika, complete seasoning, chicken seasoning, cajun seasoning and all-purpose seasoning. And I'm just going to go ahead and add the seasoning to my chicken, and of course you could use whatever flavor profile you like. And here I have some green seasoning. I will leave a link on how I make this down in the description box, so you could go ahead and check it out. I'm going to go in with some A1 sauce, and I'm gonna go in with some soy sauce. Now guys, you could season this to your preference, whatever seasoning, whatever flavor you like, you could go ahead and add this to your chicken. I'm just gonna massage this and allow it to sit for a couple of hours. Now guys, you could always do this overnight, but if you don't have overnight time, you could just season it and go ahead and just start cooking, because this is so flavorful. Now I'm going to go ahead and bake this up. Now I'm going to bake this in a 375-degree oven. Now guys, I'm going to cook this for about 40 minutes covered, and then I'm going to show you how I continue on with the rest of it. And I'm going to go in with all that juices and that seasoning. Yes, I'm going to get everything in there, because all of that is flavor. Now, because this is chicken and potatoes, I'm going to go in with some baby potatoes. Here I have some baby potatoes that has already been washed and cleaned. And guys, you could, if you have whole potato or russet potato, you could just quarter them and cube them and use those as well. You don't have to use baby potatoes. Any potatoes will work just fine. And I'm going to go in with some carrots that I just cut on a bias. Now guys, you could totally leave this out, or you could add any other veggies that will hold up in this delicious sauce. Now I'm going to put this in my oven and bake for about 40 minutes covered. In the meantime, I'm going to make a quick little sauce. So here I'm just going to add some ketchup, some barbecue sauce, and a little bit of hot sauce. Now guys, you could jazz up your sauce however you like. Remember, this is yours. So any other condiments that you have in your house that you want to use, you could go ahead and use that. You're not limited to just what I'm using here. And I'm going to go in with a little bit more of the A1 sauce, and I'm going to add some water and give this a good mix. Now after 40 minutes, this is what my chicken be looking like. It has released its juices, and I'm going to toss these potatoes so they can coat and cook properly in all those nice juices. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my sauce to it, and then I'm going to place it back into the oven uncovered for an additional 20 minutes. After a total of 1 hour and 20 minutes, this is what my chicken and potatoes been looking like. I'm just going to garnish with a little bit of parsley, and that's just about it, guys. You serve this up just as is. Now guys, if you have reached this far in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, show me some love by hitting that red subscription button, give me a big thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this recipe. This was awesome, guys, full of flavor, and one pot, and you guys, you don't have to do a lot of cleaning up. Now this is perfect any day of the week. Now guys, let me show you how I serve mine up. I served this up with some broccoli on the side, and let me tell you guys, this was super delicious, full of flavor, and trust me, let me know what you think about this recipe down in the comment section, guys. I know you will love this recipe. I thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.